So let's go ahead and get right to it because we have seen an update in the last 24 hours. We now have a slight risk for severe weather. That's a level 2 out of 5. It's still considered a low end risk. This does not mean that everyone sees thunderstorms. This does not mean that everyone sees a severe weather. It actually still is considered a very low end risk. So thunderstorms that develop in Oklahoma along a cold front will then push into North Texas. And what happens then is that we're going to see these lower in intensity and lower in coverage the more south they move. That's why you see the yellow highlighted that is still including Oklahoma and parts of North Texas. So I'm going to go ahead and time that out for you again. That's Wednesday evening into Wednesday night. This is Wednesday around 7 p.m. You see those thunderstorms that develop along a cold front first start to make their way towards the Red River around this time. Now, this could still change by an hour or two. A few models are really differentiating in what they're bringing in at the time they're bringing it in at. But this, I think, does a good idea. 7 to 8, we see those storms then take a dip into North Texas. So we'll be tracking the potential for some heavy rain at this point. And then between 8 to 9, those storms will move from the Denton-Collin County area down towards the Metroplex, Dallas, Tarrant, maybe even Parker County. And look at that. The more south they move, again, they lower in coverage and they lower in intensity. I'm keeping about 30% coverage of rain in the forecast. The cloud cover sticks with us through Thursday morning. We still will have a little moisture, not a little, we'll still have plenty of moisture in our atmosphere for Thursday afternoon, which is why I'm keeping 10% coverage of rain in the forecast for Thursday afternoon for a couple of additional thunderstorms along our eastern counties. Again, not everyone sees the rain. Not everyone sees a severe weather tomorrow night. In fact, most of us will not see the severe storms. We are looking at some cloud cover right now across our far western counties. I'm talking about far western North Texas towards the Big Country and in northeast North Texas. Tonight, we'll see the temperature drop to 77 degrees in Dallas, about 78 in Fort Worth, 76 for Denton and in McKinney. It's going to be breezy too. Our south wind gusting close to 25-30 miles per hour. Tomorrow we wake up with a little cloud cover, but by the afternoon we see sunshine. 93 for the high in Dallas, 94 in Fort Worth, Denton and in McKinney. The heat index, however, will be in the triple digits tomorrow afternoon. It'll be very similar to today, with a few of us hitting the triple digits, a few of us getting into the upper 90s. Either way you put it, it's going to feel close to 100 across all of North Texas for Wednesday afternoon. And that stays consistent throughout the rest of the week and into the weekend. High temperature climbing a degree or so every day, but the heat index will be in the triple digits, if not very close to it, at least through Sunday. Tonight, temperature drops to 77, warm, muggy, breezy at times. Tomorrow, a high near 93 with a heat index near 100. The 14-day forecast, like I mentioned, best opportunity for rain happens Wednesday night. After that, we're looking at very slim rain chances, really in the form of an afternoon stray thunderstorm or shower, high temperatures in the mid-90s. And that really does take us through the end of the month. On average, the first 100-degree day happens July 1st. And right now, the high on July 1st, about 96.